Hey you guys, I welcome you guys back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be making these amazing chocolate crescents. So now let's jump right into the video. So guys, I'm using the store-bought Crescent and I'm just going to pop it from that container. Then I will be rolling it on a floured surface. And guys, I promise one of these days I'll definitely do a crescent video. I'll definitely show you guys how to make the crescent from scratch. It's just that I wanted this for my breakfast and I didn't have the time to actually make it because it takes so much time. So now I'll be rolling it in a square shape, and it also depends on the amount of dough you have. You can either roll it in a rectangular shape or a square. So now guys, I'll be adding my chocolate buttons and I'm going to place that chocolate on the edge of the dough and I'm going to roll it tightly and closing it in the So now guys, I'm just cutting the edge of that dough because it's not needed. Then I'll be cutting my croissant in the desired size that I like. You guys can cut it in whatever size you want, big, small, it all depends on you guys. Then I'll be placing that on my baking tray. Then I'll be baking it at a temperature at 350 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes until it's golden brown. And there you have it guys, our crescents are finally out of the oven. You can just top that up with some icing sugar and just, you know, dig in. But I thank you guys so much for stopping by. I love you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button guys. Turn on your post notifications so you can get notified when I post new video. And I'll definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.